Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare this yummy breakfast. I will be leaving the list of ingredients in the comment section. Here I have chocolate, apple, banana, pig milk, peanut butter. I'll also be using peanut. Then I have liquid milk. Then I have my oats. So come with me as we cook. First, I will go ahead to measure my liquid milk. I will be using 2 cups. After measuring the milk, I will take it straight to the pot and bring to a boil before adding the next ingredient. I will be covering this up to boil for 1 to 2 minutes. I will go ahead to measure the oats. I will be using 2 cups as well. Now that the milk is boiled, I will go ahead to remove the cover and then add the oats. I will be adding salt at this point. I will also be adding the chocolate powder. And finally, I will be adding the peanut butter. Now that I've added all the ingredients, I will go ahead to mix everything together. If you notice that your own oat is too thick, you can go ahead to add more liquid milk, or you can use water as well. Look at it. Now that our oat is ready, I'll go ahead to take it out of the fire and then I will serve. I will be adding my peanuts. This is optional since we added peanut butter to it before. Then I'll go ahead to add my banana and apple, which I have chopped already. All these are optional. You can add any fruit of your choice. And then I will finally add my pig milk. I like using pig milk for this. So go ahead and try this recipe out. And if you do so, please don't forget to tag me. Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.